Okay, children, now we are going to see about the standard for social rights and duties of children. So, in this we are going to learn about the citizens of a country. What do you mean by the citizen of a country? Define. நம்ம சிட்டிசன் குடிமகன் சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, இந்த நாட்டில் இருப்பது. Define citizen of a country. Then second is rights of, list the rights of the children. குழந்தைகளுக்கு என்னென்ன உரிமைகள் இருக்குது. Rights of children. Okay, and then right to survival. Describe the right to survival. Survival. Then right to development. Right to development. Then right to protection and participation. Right to protection, எப்படி பாதுகாப்பாக இருக்குது. And then our participation. So this only we are going to say in this lesson. Okay. In school day, Ramesh had an interesting day. He learnt many rules that he must follow in class. Even the teacher also will say that what are the rules you should be followed, how you should be in the class, and you have to be punctual in coming to school. Let us listen to him and talking to his mother about his class. So this boy is talking to what's happening in the class, is talking with his mother. Today, my class teacher has given us a list of rules that we all have to follow, Amma. So class teacher has given the list. Enna rules follow panana. That's good. We should not change our seats in the middle of the class time in school as it would disturb others. So while the teachers are taking the classes, the children should not change the seats in the middle of the class because it would disturb the others also. You should not change the place. Like this, there are so many rules, Amma, the boys do. I think that is very important. Rules are made so that the class can work together properly without disturbing others. So rules potada, everything will be works properly. I understand. Our teacher said the same. Our teacher also said the same. Do you know there are rules to follow? The citizens of the country have to follow. There are rules. There are rules in it. All the citizens must follow that. Citizen, what does that mean? Citizen. Citizen na enna? Kurimagan sonilya. A citizen is a person who is a member of a country. Who is a citizen is a person. Is a person who is a member of a country. So avanu oru part adu member of the country. Okay. A citizen enjoy the rights given to him her by the country. So on the citizen, man or woman or boy or a girl, she can have the rights to enjoy everything. Okay, who set this rule for the citizens? In the rules la yaar potanga? The Constitution of India set this rule. So India la constitution made, but they set these rules. The set of rules of a country is known as a constitution. What do you mean by the constitution? The set of rules of a country is known as constitution. Okay, so a set of rules called constitution and a set of rules in the rules of follow of a country or country ki adu per da constitution. You have to follow these rules, and the constitution lays down certain rules to help the country work together smoothly. In the rules potana to rule the country very smoothly without having any disputes or fights or anything. So that my teacher said, if we follow these rules, we will become responsible. So அதனால தான் எங்கள் மிஸ்ஸும் சொன்னாங்க, இந்த ரூல்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஃபாலோ பண்ண நம்மளுக்கு ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள் ஒரு பொறுப்பு வரும். Thus constitution makes citizen responsible. ஸோ இந்த ரூல்ஸ் போடுறாங்க இல்லையா கான்ஸ்டியூஷனில், இது ஒரு சிட்டிசனுக்கு ரெஸ்பான்சிபிளாக இருக்குமா? Does this made him responsible? Yes, it tells all people to be a responsible citizen of your country. Yes, எல்லா பீப்புளுக்குமே அந்த ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள் இருக்குது. All over the world. What about the child rights? Okay, you are going to see about the child rights. What about the child rights? Child rights na enna? What do you mean by the child rights? About the child rights. In this child rights, all over the world there are different policies, pala kolgaigal and urimaigal and rights are there. Children have certain rights to ensure that every child is treated the same. So ella childukkume equal rights she is having. Every child is treated as the same. Nee andha or papa inda or kanda no. These are practiced to create a healthy environment for children to live in. So many different types of people are living in nearby us neighborhood இல்லையா. ஸோ அவங்களுக்குள்ள ஒரு வந்து they create a healthy environment. ஸோ நீ அப்படி இருக்காங்க இங்கே வந்தீங்கன்னா நோ இது they have to be the live in peace. They have to be practiced to be create a healthy environment. நல்ல ஒரு சூழ்நிலை உருவாகணும். Let us say what Kavya and her father talk about the child rights. So next Kavya and father child rights பற்றி என்ன பேசுகிறாங்க. அப்போ 2 children have any rights? இருக்கா children? Yes, Kavya. All over the world there are many countries which have agreed to make some basic rights for the children. Our country is one of them. So all over the world உலக அளவில் many countries have agreed to make some basic rights. சில basic rights அடிப்படை உரிமைகள் இருக்குது. அவர் கண்ட்ரி இஸ் ஆல்சோ ஒன் ஆஃப் தம். ரியலி அப்பா கேன் யூ டெல் மீ மோர்? அதை பற்றி இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்கள். ஸோ த 4 மேஜர் ரைட்ஸ் என்னென்ன இது? ரைட் டு சர்வைவல். 4 மேஜர் ரைட்ஸ் ஃபார் த சைல்டு என்னென்னா 4 மேஜர் ரைட்ஸ் இஸ் ரைட் டு சர்வைவல். Okay, and then right to development. Right to development. Then right to protection. Right to protection. Then right to participation. Right to participation. Okay, so these are the 4 rights: right to survival, right to development, right to protection and right to participation. It is to ensure every child has access to minimum standard of food. So ஒவ்வொரு சைல்டுக்கும் ஒரு தேவையான அளவுக்கு உணவு கிடைக்குதா, மினிமம் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ஸ். அண்ட் திஸ் ஹெல்ப்ஸ் இன் ஹெல்த்தி க்ரோத் இன் சில்ட்ரன். ஸோ அந்த குழந்தைங்களும் நல்லா ஹெல்த்தியாக வளரலாம். தென் தேர் ஆர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ரைட்ஸ் ஃபார் த சில்ட்ரன் பிலோ த ஏஜ் ஆஃப் 6 அண்ட் பிட்வீன் த ஏஜ் ஆஃப் 6 and 14 years. ஸோ பிலோ த 6 இயர்ஸ்க்கு கீழே அண்ட் தென் 6 and 14 இயர்ஸ்க்கு மேலே வாட் ஆர் த பிட்வீன் த 6 to 14 இயர்ஸ்க்கு மேலே they are having some different rights also. This is because both the age groups and below 6 years and below 14 years have a different needs for their growth. அவங்க வளர்கிறதுக்கு டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டான க்ரோத்துக்கு வளர தேவையான நீட்ஸ் உரிமைகள் இருக்குது. And the growth and the development. Very interesting. What else is a part of the right to survival? So right to survival so this is the right to survival. So they access the minimum standards of food. Every child கிடைக்குதான்னு பார்க்கணும். There should be a healthy growth in the child. And then there is a different growth between the age of below 6 and below 14 years. And this is because both the age groups என்ன கிடைக்கணும், need for their growth and development. அவங்க வளர்கிறதுக்கும் and then develop உருவாகிறதுக்கும். And very interesting. What is the right to survival? The WASH program is also part of it. So right to survival, the WASH program. What do you mean by the WASH program? So WASH program is WASH. What happens in that program appa? And the program la enna nadakudhu? WASH stands for wash and verb illaya. S-H. In the wash one, this is water, sanitation, S for the sanitation, and hygiene, H one the hygiene. Okay, this is the WASH program. So WASH stands for water, sanitation and hygiene. It means there should be access to clean water for drinking and other needs. So drinking as well as other needs, so that water should be clean. And there are many diseases that spread through water. So many diseases are spreading. To avoid this, having access to safe water is very important. So in the disease water is very, very important and it should be clean. That is the WASH program. Yes, Appa, even my teacher told us to wash your hands before and after food. So whenever you are having a food, you have to wash your hands before and after the food. Very good. Spreading awareness to washing hands with soap is a part of the WASH program. So WASH program you have to wash your hands with the soap. And that is also one of the part of the WASH program. Last week, I saw Muthu, who is the child of the opposite house, getting some drops of medicine. Is this a part of a right to survival, Appa? So last week, Muthu in the opposite house, who is the child of the opposite house, he gets some drops of the medicine. So this could under the right to survival. It will come under the right to survival. Yes, Kavya, that was polio drops. If a small babies can polio drops they are giving from the government. So there are many vaccines and drops. Ellame vaccination drops which are given to the children to protect them from the certain diseases. Some of the diseases this polio drops will be given for them. So nice, Appa. And next one is right to development. What are the development? What do you mean by the right to development? Right to development. So in this right to development, every child has the right to go to the school and develop life skills. Over child school she got the rights to go to school and develop skills. And today Vijaya teacher is teaching about right to development. Mitra, do you know that coming to school is your right? Coming to school is your right. And do you know that no one can stop you from getting the admission in a government school? So government school, no one can stop the admission. They can go and join the government school. Really? Near my house, I see some children not going to school. In some of the places we might have seen that some children is not going to school. Yes, you can see. But all the children below the 14 years, they have right to go to school. So they should not be as a child labor, they have to go to the school. Those are the below the age of 14. So the government is responsible for providing the free education to all. So andamari children's government they are providing the free education. Is it so? I will convey this to the parents. So I will say this to the parents. Maybe I can bring them to school tomorrow. So I can bring them. That's great, Mitra. Okay. Then, what do you mean by the child labor? We have been seeing this in the child labor. No? A child is doing the work. They are able to do the work. Children are involved in different works at different places. So, we have been seeing the children in different places. So we have been seeing the different works of different places, like even Kaldu, then other mechanic shop work in hotels, and even in some crackers company, everything. This is called the child labor. It is illegal. This is to force the children below the age of 14. So 14 years, really? What should we do if we see the children working as a child laborer or suppose a 14 years child, if she is doing to work some household or anything, some other children. Call the child line number we have seen 1098, that is, and inform. Okay, 1098. Okay, the number is 1098. So child line number and then, okay teacher, can I call this number at any time? How much does it cost? So anytime call பண்ணலாமா? Yes, you can call at any time and it is a free of cost. So the 1098 is a free of cost number. You can call at any time and you can inform them as a child is keeping it as a labor. If you see a child labor, talk to him or her first. First and the corner you can talk to them. If they are forced to do the job, you can call the number and inform. So அந்த குழந்தைங்க பேசி உங்களை கட்டாயப்படுத்துகிறாங்கன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு and then you can call the helpline number and they will come and help the child. So here they are given the card. Identify the child in your neighborhood. நீங்கள் யாராச்சும் அவங்கள பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you have to write, keep this as a question. Name of the child, age of the child, as the child going to school or ever போகிறாங்களா இல்லையா, reason for not going to school, why they are not, ஏன் போகலை, how will you guide her or நீங்கள் எப்படி அவங்கள பார்த்துப்பீங்க. So this survey can be for the parents and the child. So you can say that. Next one is right to protection. What do you mean by the right to protection? Children have the right to be protected in all circumstances. எல்லா சூழ்நிலையிலும் குழந்தைங்களை வந்து பாதுகாக்கணும், protected. That is, Indian government has set laws for the same. அவங்களும் the India government has set some rules. Raman and Kavita's mother is talking to them about the right to protect themselves. So let us see the conversation. So in the conversation பார்க்கும்போது, can you tell me what are the different parts of a body that no one should touch? So this we have already seen. So எந்தெந்த parts touch பண்ணக்கூடாது? Lips, chest and between your legs. Okay. Yes, to whom will you say if someone touches you these parts? We will tell to an elder, we trust like you. So, பெரியவங்க கிட்ட யார்கிட்ட சொல்கிறோம் or parents கிட்ட you can say. So, no one should touch the parts of your body. Will you be scared if one touches you or in any or all of these parts or any other part and make you feel uncomfortable? So, நீங்கள் அவங்க அந்த மாதிரி டச் பண்ணாங்கன்னா நீங்கள் பயப்படுவீங்களா? No amma, I will not be scared. இல்லை நான் பயப்பட மாட்டேன். Yes, and I will shout at the top of my voice for help. உடனே என்ன பண்ணணும், you have to shout and top of உங்களோட குரலை சத்தம் போட்டு வாய்ஸை ரைஸ் பண்ணணும். There are laws to punish people who touch children inappropriately. So there will be the punishment for the people who are misbehaving like this. Okay. All you need to do is keep an eye out for danger and be confident. ஸோ நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணுன்னா எப்போவுமே கவனமாக இருக்கணும் அண்ட் தென் கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டாக தைரியமாக இருக்கணும். ஆர் தெர் எனி அதர் ரூல் டு ப்ரொடெக்ட் அஸ்? வேறு ஏதாச்சும் ரூல்ஸ் இருக்கா? எஸ், தெர் இஸ் அனதர் ரூல். நோ பர்சன் ஷுட் ஹிட் ஆர் ஹார்ம் சில்ட்ரன். ஸோ எந்த பர்சனுமே ஒரு குழந்தைய அடிக்கவோ ஹார்ம் பண்ணவோ கூடாது. இட் இஸ் ராங் டு ஹிட் சில்ட்ரன் ஆஸ் இட் அஃபெக்ட்ஸ் த வெல்பீயிங். அந்த குழந்தைய அடிக்கிறது அவங்களோட லைஃப்பையே ஸ்பாயில் பண்ணும். ரியலி எஸ், ஆல் எல்டர்ஸ் should help to create a safe environment for children to live. ஸோ பெரியவங்க எல்லாருமே சில்ட்ரன்ஸை ஒரு நல்ல என்வாயர்மெண்ட்டில் வளர்க்குறதுக்கு we have to help them. And right to participate. What do you mean by the right to participate? Children have the right to participate in matters matters related to them. This includes asking the questions and giving the suggestions and making the decisions in things that affect them. So children they can participate. எப்படி participate பண்ணலாம்னா they can ask the questions, கேட்கலாம், suggestion, ideas கொடுக்கலாம், முடிவு எடுக்கலாம், making decisions in things that affect them. Let us listen to the discussion of Vani's teacher class. Our school is going to be renovated, means they are going to do some alterations. அதாவது ஸ்கூல் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் renovated விரிவுபடுத்த போகிறாங்க. And we need your suggestions to improve the school. So childrens கிட்ட suggestion கேட்குறாங்க. Can you all discuss and make a list? Yes teacher. So after some time, what are the suggestions they are giving? Our school should have the toilets at every floor. So every floor toilets must be there. And drinking water facility for every 4 classrooms. So every 4 classroom drinking water must be there. The sports room needs more carom boards, chess boards, balls and badminton rackets so that everyone can play. So these are the suggestions they are given by the children. Wonderful ideas. I will send this to the headmistress. Thank you teacher, the children are saying. And it was great for all of you to participate. Each one of you has the right to express and share your opinion. So ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் சொல்கிறதுக்கு உரிமை இருக்குது, உங்களுடைய கருத்துக்களை சொல்கிறதுக்கு, ஒப்பீனியனை சொல்கிறதுக்கு. ஓகே, ஸோ children have the right to participate in discussions and implementation of all the things. So childrenக்கு எல்லா உரிமையும் இருக்குது. ஓகே, so far we have learnt in this. And children, what all the children can do, that also we have seen. And now every citizen of a country can enjoy the rights and do duties, and children also have the special rights also they are having. And children have the right to have a healthy food for growth and development, and children have the right to go to school and have a good education, and they have the right to be protected against danger, and they have the right to participate in the matters related to them. Okay, children, that's all the lesson. And here you are having the choose the correct answer, true or false, and match is here.